guys, what's up? Today we're gonna teach you how to animate properly. Yeah. So you need to use effort. You need to use effort. If you don't put effort, you're just gonna keep the same. No matter how many tutorials you watch, you're gonna be the same if you don't put effort in your animation. If you don't put effort, this app or game is not for you. Anyways, the next thing you want to know is dynamic poses. Basically poses that look good. Do you want to make your character attack and not pose? Actually, you need each frame your character is actually posing. But when you play it, it looks like they're attacking. So you need to get good poses like this. As you can see, the good pose or the dynamic pose is on the left. It looks way better than if you maintain in practice. Shit. Practice, that's it. Practice, bro. Don't practice. You're still good. You're still lame. If you don't, even if you put effort, if you don't practice, bro. Just practice, bro. Just practice. Storyline. What's a good animation with a storyline? It's like Naruto, Dragon Ball. There's still an animation, just with 3D effects. That's it. Good storyline, bro. Stretching. When I mean 3D effect, we're gonna have to use stretching since just a 2D app you're working on and not a 3D one. So here you go. You need to use the stretch, and the stretchy one is the one on the right. It looks better than on the left. Stretching to make a 3D pose, bro. And the last one is find a, find a personal pro to help you. I can't do much, but find a personal animator to help you. You may get better than watching texts or videos on YouTube. You might get better if you find a personal one than a virtual one. It's better. I can't do much though. That's gonna be it, guys. See ya.